Presale cleaning secrets from hotel housekeepers. Want your home to stand out in a crowded market? Then here's a secret from the world's most trusted cleaning pros. Clean like a luxury hotel. Hotel housekeepers are masters of presentation. They know how to make a space feel spotless, serene, and instantly inviting. And if you're preparing your home for sale, those exact principles can help you wow buyers, boost your listing, and maximize your final price. Let's walk through 5 expert cleaning secrets from hotel pros. Reimagined for your presale clean. Secret 1. Work top to bottom, not room by room. Most people clean one room at a time, but hotel pros clean by task, not location. Dust all surfaces in every room. Then wipe all windows. Then vacuum every floor. Then mop. This method is more efficient, more consistent, and ensures nothing gets missed. Especially during your deep presale clean. And always clean from top to bottom. Ceiling fans first, floors last, so you're not doubling up on dust. Secret 2. Make your bed like it's a showpiece. Hotel beds sell comfort, and your bedroom should do the same. For your open home, treat the bed like a centerpiece. Crisp white sheets or neutral linens, fluffed pillows, and a tightly tucked-in doona. A throw blanket folded at the foot for texture. Matching cushions, or a simple bedhead for polish. Why? Because bedrooms sell emotion. They help buyers picture calm, rest and retreat. And a hotel-style bed creates that feeling instantly. Secret 3. Microfiber cloths are your secret weapon. Skip the paper towels. Hotel cleaners swear by microfiber cloths, and for good reason. They trap dust, remove streaks, and polish surfaces without leaving lint behind. Use them too. Shine mirrors, wipe down switches, clean skirting boards and door frames, polish stainless steel appliances. Pro tip: assign colours for different areas, blue for glass, yellow for bathroom, grey for general dusting, to avoid cross-contamination. Secret 4. Clear the clutter, like it's checkout time. Think of your home like a hotel suite before the next guest checks in. Less is more. No personal photos, no countertop clutter, no half-used toiletries in the shower, no fridge magnets or overstuffed shelves. Buyers aren't just inspecting your home, they're visualising themselves in it. So create space for that imagination to flow. Secret 5. Finish with fragrance and final touches. Hotel rooms always have a signature scent. Not overpowering, but clean, calm, and fresh. So for your open homes, use a subtle essential oil diffuser. Think citrus, eucalyptus, or linen. Or light a clean soy candle before showings. Open windows for airflow. Tuck away any pet beds, food bowls, or signs of odour. And just before you leave, fluff the cushions. Straighten the towels. Turn on a warm lamp. It's those finishing touches that elevate your clean from neat to next level. Final thought. Make your home feel like a dream. Stay. You don't need marble floors or designer furniture to impress buyers. What you need is cleanliness that feels effortless, space that feels calming, rooms that feel loved and ready. So clean like a hotel, stage like a sanctuary, and sell like a pro. Because a well-cleaned home isn't just noticed, it's remembered.